The Magnasonic CD2800 Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves in plain tap water to lift away grime from jewelry, eyeglasses, and other small items without harsh scrubbing. Its ultrasonic action produces countless tiny bubbles that reach into crevices and settings, so rings and necklaces come out noticeably brighter, while delicate pieces remain safe. A short preset cleaning cycle with automatic shutoff makes the machine extremely straightforward to use, so you can drop items in, press a single button, and walk away. The stainless steel tank is large enough to fully immerse both small accessories and bulkier items like watches or eyeglass frames, which makes it versatile for everyday household cleaning. Because it relies on solid-state electronics and a seal, the unit runs quietly and consistently, offering dependable results from one cleaning session to the next. Overall, this cleaner delivers results that feel close to a professional ultrasonic bath in a compact design that suits both home users and small commercial settings.